In this week's Frosty Friday challenge, we're looking at streams on views. Use this feature to track change data capture records for views, including those of secure views. This can simplify data integration and subsequent data analysis. For example, suppose we'd like to update a Snowflake table with new and only new records based on incoming data. A stream is a Snowflake object that can identify and track changes. So how does a stream work? Creates an initial snapshot of each row within the source object. The change tracking system utilized by the stream then records information about DML operations after this snapshot is taken. In other words, change records provide the state of a row before and after a change. With that, let's have a look at this week's challenge. We've had some issues with sales being rung up on the till, but then not showing up subsequently in the system. We've got a sneaky feeling that they're being removed and would like to quickly see if this is indeed true. We're going to help the store add a stream to the employee sales view, keep track of every deletion, and then move these into a new table called deleted sales. We're going to start by configuring the environment to the database and schema, Frosty Friday challenge, public schema. Having configured the environment, let's go ahead and create a table with 3 columns, ID, name, and department. Querying the table, and we get an empty result set as expected, given that the table has just been created. So let's go ahead and populate it with sample data. 2 rows, one for Alice, another for Bob. From here, we can create a second table to track sales. And Snowflake throws up an error. Object already exists. So let's go ahead and modify this query to create or replace table. This should override the existing table once it's spelled correctly. And insert into our cells 3 rows worth of data. Okay, with our 2 tables in place, let's go ahead and create a view that brings these 2 tables together on employee ID. Querying the table, and we see 2 IDs, one for Alice and another for Bob, from sales and marketing, as well as the relative or respective sales amounts recorded. From here, we can create that stream to track any changes made to the underlying tables which make up the view employee sales. querying the stream, and as we'd expect, no results shown, as the data has yet, or the values in the underlying tables have yet to be modified. Let's go ahead and test the stream by deleting a record where the ID is 2. In other words, the row for Bob from marketing. Checking the stream, we should see one row record, okay, tracking the $150 sale, which is now removed from the view. From here, we can create a new table to store deleted sales data, and then subsequently move from the stream any records that have been recorded and into our newly created table tracking deleted sales. Let's go ahead and confirm the contents of this table using a select command, and with that we've just completed the exercise by creating a stream to track changes, specifically delete updates, and then followed up by creating another table to pull in data using the stream. If you liked or found this useful, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, as they say in my hometown, don't forget to be awesome.